What's this about a cat in the burrow?
Cat? There's no cat in the burrow. Just a cat toy.
Huh?
Sticky toy.
We found it and brought it home by accident. The toy, not the cat. Definitely not the cat.
What a beautiful morning.
Well, you know what to do with things that don't belong to you, don't you?
Yes, Mum. We'll take this toy right back where we found it.
But Mother, we saw a cat just outside. Mum. Peter, we have to get the cat back to Mr. McGregor's garden too.
No way are we going out there. That cat is dangerous. Peter, there's one thing the cat wants more than us. While we keep the cat busy chasing this, we'll run into the garden and get the sprouts. Easy. No. No way. Come on, Benjamin. A good rabbit never gives up. We can do this. We can? Of course we can. Benjamin, on the count of 3, throw the toy to the cat. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Kitty cat. Again.
Cottontail! We need a better plan. I have a plan. We go home?
No, not before we get the cat back to the garden.
And don't forget, we have to get the sprouts.
I know. We need some string, which luckily I carry with me, just in case. And we'll need the cat toy, Cottontail.
What is she doing? No idea.
Ready, boys? Ready. Okay, Cat. Back to the garden you go!
Run, rabbit, run! Run like you've never run before. Run, rabbit, run! If he catches you, you're done, so run some more. Your heart is pounding, those beats are sounding so close to you. What can you do? Oh, rabbit, run! You better run! I think I hear him catching up to you.
Great, job done. Now let's go home. Run! Let's get out of here.